Everyone's talking about fiber maxing, but is it the miracle gut reset we've all been waiting for? Or just another dangerous trend? I'm Dr. Zoe Sui. Welcome to Human Machine 3D. Today, we're diving deep into what happens when you supercharge your fiber intake the right way. Stick with me till the end, because I'll share my doctor-approved FiberMax plan that can help reduce bloating, improve gut health, and naturally support weight loss in just 10 days. What is fiber maxing? Let's start with the basics. Fiber maxing simply means increasing your dietary fiber, way beyond the usual recommended 25 to 30 grams per day. It's all about using natural, plant-based foods to feed your gut bacteria, stabilize blood sugar, and improve digestion. But here's the catch. If you increase fiber too fast, your gut can rebel. That means gas, bloating, and even abdominal cramps. So yes, fiber is incredible, but only when done safely. Why your gut loves fiber? When you eat fiber, you're not just eating for yourself, you're feeding trillions of gut microbes. These good bacteria ferment fiber and create compounds that heal your gut lining, boost immunity, and balance your mood. Research shows that people who eat high-fiber diets have lower risks of obesity, diabetes, colon cancer, and even anxiety and depression. Fiber also acts like a broom, sweeping out toxins, cholesterol, and waste products. The FiberMax foods. So, what are the best foods for fiber maxing? Let's talk about the heroes of your gut. Oats, full of beta-glucan, a fiber that lowers cholesterol. Chia seeds and flax seeds, small but powerful. They expand in your gut and keep you full longer. Lentils and beans, packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber for deep cleaning. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, and carrots, they sweep toxins while feeding beneficial bacteria. Fruits like apples, pears, and berries, sweet, hydrating, and full of prebiotic fibers. Pro tip: mix fiber sources throughout your day, not all at once. The right way to fiber max. Now, here's where most people go wrong. If you suddenly double your fiber intake, your gut can't process it, leading to bloating, gas, and even constipation. To do it safely, follow these steps. Start slow. Add 5 grams more fiber per day, not all at once. Hydrate well. Fiber absorbs water, so drink at least 2 liters daily. Combine fiber types. Mix soluble fiber, oats, beans, apples, with insoluble fiber, leafy greens, seeds, whole grains. Move your body. Gentle exercise helps your intestines move fiber smoothly through your system. Keep FiberMax dangers. Yes, even healthy habits can go wrong. Too much fiber without enough water can cause blockages. Overdoing raw fiber foods too fast can lead to cramping and nutrient malabsorption. And if you're on medications, fiber can delay absorption. So if you have IBS, Crohn's, or any digestive condition, talk to your doctor before going full FiberMax. Doctor's 3-step FiberMax plan. Now, let's finish strong. Here's my 3-step FiberMax gut reset plan. Step 1. Start your morning with chia lemon water. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds overnight and drink it before breakfast. It hydrates, cleanses, and gently wakes your digestion. Step 2. Eat 1 high-fiber meal daily, like a bowl of lentil soup or oats with flax and berries. This will stabilize blood sugar and keep you full. Step 3. Add leafy greens and a probiotic food, like kefir or sauerkraut, to dinner. This balances your gut flora and boosts metabolism overnight. Follow this plan for just 10 days, and you'll notice less bloating, clearer skin, and smoother digestion. I'm Dr. Zoe Sui. Thank you for watching Human Machine 3D. Remember, your gut is the foundation of your health. Nourish it naturally, and your entire body thrives. Don't forget to subscribe and check the link below for my complete 10-day gut reset ebook on Amazon KDP.